Guys, Nicole here, your Amaresa Realtor. I'm here at Amaresa 3 located in Barangay Lomatigato, Marilao, Bulacan. And today guys, October 2025, most recent stroll in the subdivision of Amaresa 3. So you can have an idea guys. I'm gonna show you the map, okay? So that's our map. We have phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So basically phase 1 and phase 2 sold out, and we have our very new pre-selling. Phase 3 is also selling fast, okay? 4 model units to choose from, yung ating Aria Prime, Kayla Prime, Amara Expanded, and Alexandria. Nakikita nyo naman sa screen guys yung bawat models na yan. Kung gusto nyo ng actual house tour for each model, you can subscribe to my channel at pwede nyo rin i-check yung comment below, nandoon yung link para makita nyo yung house tour. Kasi for today, I'm just gonna show you the community, okay? At para yung update rin sa mga phase na yon, kasi mga ongoing siya. Yung phase 3 lang naman yung wala pang nakatayo kasi land development yung stage niya ngayon guys, okay? And at the same time, I'll show you like sample computation for each model then as we go or as we stroll around the subdivision, okay? So, join me today! So guys, showing on the screen the complete address of Amaresa 3. Ayan. Ito guys, very excellent yung kanyang location dahil we are close to Muzon, San Jose del Monte. So accessible po siya sa SM San Jose, future MRT7, and at the same time, dahil Lomatigato, Marilao, malapit ka lang few minutes drive to Marilao exit, which is nandoon po yung ginagawa ngayong BGC of the North or NGC by Mega World. So itong project natin guys, hindi lang siya exclusive subdivision, hindi lang siya elegant houses, single attached lahat with complete amenities. Napakaganda rin ng kanyang premium location na tinatawag. Ayan, phase 2 yan na, yung mga ongoing construction na yan guys, okay? And then, ito part pa rin to ng entrada natin ni phase 1. So, pakita ko na rin, ito kasing side, malapit sa entrance gate. Ayan, side na yan guys. Ayan yung, ito. Sige, unahin ko na rin siguro to. Bago tayo pumasok sa loob, ito, yung ginagawang entrada, ongoing land development ng ating phase 3. Ayan siya guys. Hindi pa yan pwedeng pasukin ha. Pero sa mapa natin guys, ano na yan, 50% sold na halos. Kasi mabilis lang yan kasi konti lang naman sila. Yun yung ongoing niya. Diba ang lapit niya sa entrance gate. Tapos eto, malapit pa siya sa amenity area. Ayan o, yung may nakalagay dito guys na ito. Yung, ayan o, yung coming soon na yan. Ayan. So, tatayo na yung clubhouse natin dyan. Swimming pool. O, diba guys? O, malapit po sa pre-selling phase 3 yung clubhouse, swimming pool, at entrance gate. Kasi ito na yung entrance gate, o. Pakita natin ulit, ha? Para lang ako umikot, eh. Para lang talaga makita nyo yung ano natin, hindi lang siya basta mapa, live siya, live, you can see the subdivision map. Ito entrance gate na to guys, ituturo ko lang entrance gate, ito, ayan, entrance gate, diba, ayan, nakita niyo yung entrance gate. So, iikot lang ulit ako kasi babalik tayo dun sa pag-stroll natin, okay? So, while I do that, yung mga model you need to choose from, okay, Kayla Prime start tayo, showing on the screen yung details ni Kayla Prime. Yan siya guys, and the sample computation. And at the same time, ano to from lowest total contract price to the highest, okay? So si Aria Prime yung kasunod. Ayan yung details ni Aria Prime. And of course, yung details ni Amara Expanded. At yung pinakamalaki na bahay natin na model unit, diba? Yun ay tinatawag nating Alexandria. Si Alexandria model. Okay guys, nakita nyo sa screen. Alright. So yan siya guys. And for complete house tour of those models, go to the comment section. Ilalagay ko yung link ng mga house tours ko doon. Ito na guys, yung part pa rin ng ating phase 1 kasi nga diba with community na. So ang ganda ng ating basketball court. Ayan, gawa na yan. Na-enjoy na yan ng mga bata dito ng community natin, okay? So dito guys, maganda kasi ikaw na yung magde-design ng gate and fence na gusto mo, okay? So kung gusto niyo po ng corner, Amara Expanded and Alexandria, sila po talaga kadalasan dito yung merong malalaking lote. Corner man yan or next to the corner, pero malaki yung lot area. Amara Expanded and Alexandria po yun, okay guys? Tapos nagustuhan ko rin yung mataas nilang perimeter fence. So sa kanilang property line, kita nyo yung perimeter fence niya, tapos nilagyan pa ng mga damo-damo na design. Ayan sa gilid, diba? Ang ganda niya tignan guys, kasi perimeter fence na yan eh. Ayan, so at least nakikita nyo dito guys yung community. Very peaceful and quiet, and at the same time ikaw na yung magde-design ng iyong gate and fence. Pwede ka magpa-expand. So pag nagtanong naman, pwede ba yung RFO? Kasi syempre RFO na sold out, pero kung may reopen man na RFO dito sa phase 1, paunahan lang. Last time merong isang Amara Expanded. So ganun po siya kung mga RFO yung concern nyo. Pero ano lang talaga, first come first serve. Pero kung talagang sobrang gusto ko ng Amaresa, pero gusto ko talaga RFO, sige, kontakin mo ako, baka maipila kita kung may mag-reopen man, diba? Baka sakali lang, diba, ikaw ay makapag-avail. Who knows naman, diba? Hindi naman din natin masasabi. Pero depende po talaga yan guys, kasi nga first come first serve po tayo dito sa Amaresa. Ito ba ay ano na, dead end. Yan, ang taas nung ano, nakakatawa yung ano nila, perimeter nila doon, napakataas. Kaya ba kayo sinasabi nyo pag perimeter na parang nakikita nyo yan guys ha, taas yan, perimeter na yan. Tingnan mo, oh. Kung alam nyo yung Attack on Titan, kung ilang feet man yun, mga ganun yung kailangang anuhin ng mga Titan para makapasok sila dyan. Titan talaga, hindi kaya ng tao guys, kailangan Titan. Yun. Ganun kataas yung wall rose, wall sina, ganyan. So, kaya maganda rin yung mga pwesto talaga minsan ng ano, no? Yung mga ganito na katapatan mo, yung sa perimeter. Wala kang katapat na bahay, no? Or yung malapit na sa perimeter fence. Yun din maganda guys, okay? So, now you have an idea, alright? So, that is our Amaresa 3 recent update and stroll, community stroll. Diba? Ang Amaresa, it's already a brand. Kaya nga siya 3 kasi meron ng Amaresa 1, Amaresa 2, ng mga matagal lang na sold out dito sa Bulacan, and may mga community na. So, dito na tayo sa Amaresa 3 na mabilis din talagang nasa-sold out. First come, first served. Avail my 2025 Bare Months promo. Kapag nakapag-reserve po kayo ngayong October 2025, ang aking pong promo showing on the screen right now. Nakadepende po kasi siya sa model. So, dapat for qualification, ikaw ay nakapag-reserve ng October 2025 at siya po ay binibigay upon unit turnover. Kasi ibig sabihin, dapat approve na rin tayo sa financing. Okay? So, yan guys, yung aking promo, very limited lang yan, October 2025. So, you have to contact me as soon as possible. Bawal po dito mag-walk-in. Strictly no walk-ins. Contact me on my Viber or WhatsApp number. Okay? And my name is Nicole, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're using Messenger, okay? So, just contact me, Messenger. Ayan, hindi sa screen. Follow, blue check, digit yan. Okay, guys? And you can just mention Amaresa 3 or Amaresa Loma de Gato or Amaresa Marilao or kung ano man yung model na preferred mo, Aria Prime, Kayla, Amara Expanded or Alexandria. You choose, okay guys? So all you need to know, all you need to do is to really just contact me since very strict po yung guard rito. At least 1 to 2 days before pag magpapatripping sa akin, bawal pong mag-walk-in, okay? So pwedeng-pwede to sa mga OFWs, VAs, locally employed freelancers for as long as you can show us your proof of income. Very easy reservation, on-site reservation or online reservation. Walang problema, okay guys? So just contact me and I hope to see you all soon, everyone. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.